गोवा फॉरवर्ड म्हणून आम्ही मागणी करतात की he should be immediately suspended pending inquiry. FIR already lodged zala, investigation is going on. When such a officer at a high ranking level continues to be on the post, he would naturally influence the investigation through his influence. The very fact that he has survived for almost a month shows that he has strong political influence and political connections in the government. If the government doesn't suspend him, within next 12 hours or 24 hours, Goa Forward mentor MLAs will raise this issue tomorrow during the home demands. Falya home demand schedule जाल्ले आसात along with fire demands as well as airport and general administration. If government doesn't want embarrassment in the floor of the house, then government should suspend, because everything is clear cut. There are documentary evidences here where the certificates are forged. Court has given direction to register FIR.